So we are going to see one important topic, that is installation of IDE. Okay, we are going to install VS Code. Which IDE we are going to install? We are going to install VS Code. Sir, why VS Code? Means there are few reasons we are going to install VS Code. First of all, let me tell you what it is. VS Code is a code editor. Okay, VS Code is a code editor which will be helpful for you to edit your code and get the outputs. Okay, okay sir, from where we can download and how we can install. Let us see the installation process of VS Code. So let me just go to our Chrome browser, favorite browser, and I will just write download VS Code. Okay, download VS Code, search this word. You can download for Windows, Mac OS and all these things, but this is my Windows system. I will click enter. So first link you will get is from code.visualstudio.com/download. So this is the first link you will be getting on your system. After searching on the Google, this is the first link you will get. And to download this, I need to just click on this link. It will take me to the website. And this is have 3 versions. If you have Windows system, you can download here. If you have Linux system, you can download from here. If you have Mac OS, download from here. Okay, I am having Windows system, so I will be downloading from here. So how I can identify which Mac system is there, whether I am having 64-bit or 32-bit, which system? I need to find out, right? So how we can find out means I need to go to my computer. I need to go to this PC in modern computers. I need to right click and I need to check out the properties tab. I need to check out the properties tab. Right click, properties. Okay, now it will show me some configurations. This is my system configurations. This is my Intel Core i7 processor, CPU. This is the CPU things, but we are more interested in 64-bit OS. That is, our system is 64-bit operating system. Okay, 64-bit OS. We call it as operating system. So sir, my system is 64-bit. Very good. So now what I need to just install the software for 64-bit. So I will come to my browser again. I will just check out. Okay, we are having for 3 Windows support, right? Windows 10, 8 and 11. It will not support the previous versions. The previous versions of Windows are XP and Windows 7 are not be supported by this VS Code now. So make sure that your system is having Windows 8, 10 and 11 in your system installed. So after this, I will just click the download button. Okay, it is saying that, okay, thank you for downloading VS Code for Windows. It has downloaded for Windows and it is downloading in the setup file. So till the time it is downloading setup file, I will explain you why we are going with this VS Code. Why we are going with the VS Code. So VS Code is a code editor. Okay, code editor is happy. But see, VS Code can support multiple languages. It has multiple support of languages. You can code in any language. Okay. And one more thing, for our full stack development, either it is a front end or back end, we are going to use only one IDE. This IDE is VS Code. Sir, why you are using only VS Code? Because the most reason is it is free. VS Code is free of cost and it is given by Microsoft. Which company provides it? Microsoft provides it. So I can trust the Microsoft project. Okay, it is an open source free project and it is supported by many developers. It has supports multiple languages. You can see from here. Different languages are available to us. So sir, how the installation goes on? I need to double click this. Now it will open this setup box, and in the setup box, what it says, we need to click this. I accept the license agreement. Before clicking this, just go through it. Microsoft terms and conditions. If you want, you can read them all. I have already read them. So next, I accept. I trust the Microsoft. Click on this checkbox. Next, moving forward, click next button. I want to desktop icon if you want, or make sure you will check all these boxes. Please ensure that all these boxes are checked. Okay. After these boxes are checked, click next, click install. It will install VS Code in your system. Okay. The VS Code will be installed in your system. Let us give it some second. Okay. It is saying that launch VS Code. Okay. I will click finish. Now it will launch a VS Code. Wait a second. I will just close this. See, this is the launch window. This is the editor you will going to see here. Okay. This is the about the VS Code. This completes our installation of IDE, that is VS Code.